YouTube? It is your natural hair, beauty, and branding bestie Nia Imani here, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be really quick. I'm going to be showing you all how I got this really cute slick back on my short hair. Okay, I'm bald head, so it's difficult. I got like 20 bobby pins holding it together, a piece of crochet hair, got to be glued, spray, mousse, gel. It's finna be an itchy flecky mess, but I look good. I do. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial, and I hope that you all like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that bell post notification so you never miss when I upload. What's up, y'all? We are going to be starting off on freshly shampooed hair. I only shampoo my hair because this style can get very itchy and I didn't want to start on like already dirty scalp. So now I'm going in with my Imani Beauty High Maintenance Elixir. If you are new here, this is my brand, Imani Beauty. We are a scalp focused brand, so this is our multi-purpose hair and scalp oil. It helps to relieve itch and inflammation associated with scalp concerns, but it has also helped a lot of you all, as well as myself, grow more fuller and thicker hair. So I just start off by applying the oil on my scalp. I apply the oil about 2 to 3 times a week, and I just massage it in my scalp because massaging your scalp is really going to help to improve blood flow, as well as encourage new growth on your scalp. Alright, so I also applied some of the Camille Rose Naturals leave-in conditioner, and then I just parted my hair straight down the middle. I didn't go all the way back, but just so I had a nice defined middle part. So the key to any successful sleek back, okay, whether you have thick hair, thin hair, well, I feel like if you have thick hair, let's talk about people with thick hair, because I got pretty thick hair. I like to ensure, especially if my hair is going to be in a curly state, that I do this on wet and damp hair. But also the most important thing is going to be to do your hair in sections. If I could, I honestly would have done it in even smaller sections, but I promise you, you are going to see a world of a difference. Because if I was just try to slick my hair back wet and didn't do it in sections, it would still be super lumpy. I like for my slick backs to be very flat, so I always go in with sections. Like I said, I could have even done smaller sections, but this worked this time, right? So as far as product, you saw me put in the leave-in conditioner. I did some of the Wet Line Extreme Gel, and then I'm also using the Got To Be mousse. They have a mousse. This mousse is so firm and it's going to give you a really good hold, but I'm pretty sure you could use another mousse. Like, you just want to, for me, it's like the importance of is just like layering it and also like molding my hair. That's what's going to keep the ponytail intact, frizz-free, but also really sleek. And yeah, basically all I did is just really section it. So right now you see me sectioning off my edges just because I'm gonna try to do some swoops. I tried to do the extra edges thing. I don't know that that's 100% my thing, but I'm just sectioning off my edges just a little bit so that I can swoop them up later on after I do the entire sleek back. But essentially all you really want to do is just make sure that you are doing it in sections. You want your hair, especially the roots, to be damp. And then also, I didn't mention it, but a boar bristle brush. The brush that you use and the tools that you use to achieve this style are super important. Boar bristle brushes can be hard. They don't necessarily, I don't feel like they cause breakage, especially I've never experienced like breakage from doing this style. They are a little bit hard. They're not rough on the hair, but they could be hard, but they're definitely going to slick your hair back. But I wouldn't recommend, I will say I don't recommend this be a style that you wear super frequently because it's going to be a lot of tension, right? So especially if you wear a lot of ponytails, I don't know if you all have experienced that in the past before, but if you wear a lot of ponytails, you can start to see like the middle of your hair start to break off because there's a lot of stress, right? So this is something I might do maybe once or twice a month, right? I'm not about to just be wearing a sleek back every day of the month. So I just feel like, if you do plan to do a sleek back, you do give yourself that in your hair, that break in between, because this can be a lot of tension and manipulation that is used on your hair. All right, so we're finally done, and basically I'm just brushing all of my hair together, and I'm going in with some more mousse to really help it mold down, and then I'm going to just be using 2 scrunchies to hold it all together. That's it. All right, and all I'm doing here is just taking a little bit of Eco Styler and a mini boar bristle edge brush, and I'm just going to be like swooping my edges. I thought I was trying to give the girls like more bigger edges. I really don't have edges, right? I have hair. Like, I don't have baby hairs. But I'm just, you know, trying to make it look like something fun and fancy in the front, but I didn't really do too much. But if you want to do more intricate edges, more power to you. I don't really know how to do that well, but yeah, this is basically what I ended up doing in the front of my hair. All right, and since some places in my hair are still a little bit shorter than others, I'm just going in with some jumbo bobby pins, and I'm gonna just pin up what needs to be pinned. I think it even still looks like kind of cute with all of the pins in the back. It doesn't look, you know, weird or anything, but some of my hair was still sticking up, so I had to just make sure that I had that intact. Even though with the mousse it just didn't lay as flat as I would have anticipated, it's just naturally shorter than the rest of my hair. And I know y'all like, girl, this is a lot of product. It is, okay? Beauty is pain and it's itchy scalp. But I'm just taking a little bit of that mousse and I'm putting that all over my hair. And then I'm also following up with the Got To Be Glued spray. You really don't have to do this, but like I said, I really wanted to have a very sleek look. And yeah, I will say some of these products might not mix the best together. My hair doesn't have super white residue, but it definitely had a little speck of whiteness. But I felt like if you're that close to me, you shouldn't be that close to me. Okay. So now this part is completely optional, but I just wanted my hair or my ponytail / bun to look a little bit more full. So I just went in with some of the free tress crochet hair. I took about 4 to 5 or 6 pieces worth of the hair, and pretty much I'm just kind of like running my hands through it so that it can kind of, you know, frizz up so that it can kind of resemble more of my natural texture. I'm just taking a bobby pin at the end of the pieces of the hair, and I'm sticking it like right into the middle of the ponytail, and I'm just gonna wrap this around the bun. I promise you cannot tell the difference. I think I also wrapped it around the actual like scrunchies too. So look, it's giving very much camouflage, giving very much this is my bun, this is my real hair, y'all can't tell me nothing. And all you really need to do is just secure it with another bobby pin. This piece of hair is going absolutely nowhere, and it honestly lasts, like, I would say 3 to 5 uses. If you want to do this bun a little more frequently, it definitely can last you for a minute. All right, and to end everything off, you just want to make sure you preserve your style with a silk scarf. And I'm also just doing this before I actually like do my makeup and everything, but this is also how I slept for the 3 days that I actually had this style in. All right, and these are the final results. Y'all see it's a little bit of white residue, but it's not that serious. But I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to see some more hair tutorials, definitely let me know what you want to see in the comments, and I will see you all in the next one.